Okay, we're going to talk about the zipper foot. Now, the zipper foot has this little green knob on the back where you can slide the zipper foot to one side or to the other, and then you would tighten the knob. But you want to make sure that you don't have this position so it's right underneath the needle, because the needle could hit the foot. So make sure you have it where you want it to be, and then tighten the little green knob. Okay, and the way to test that, what I like to do is I just kind of lower my needle down. It looks like it could be a little bit closer there. So I'm going to lower this down. Another nice thing about this foot, in addition to putting in zippers, you can also use this for attaching piping, like onto pillows or garments. Piping is that cord that's covered with fabric that has a sort of a lip on it, and you sew through that lip, and it gives that nice defined line of piping on the edge of the seam. So this can also be used for that. So this is your zipper foot.